Hi, verify. Ever since we have a monthly evaluation, final test right on Tuesday, written test. Let's spend around 20 minutes reviewing everything from chapter 1 to chapter 4. I promise 5 minutes on each chapter. I got 3.5 minutes left for chapter 1. So here we go. So, first of all, Howard Carter discovered came to the common tomb in 1922, right? And also, those people who look for things from the past, who are they? They are archaeologists, right? And archaeologists, and also those things you put around your wrist, that'll be bracelet, right? And how about uh, the king's chair? The king's chair, I use red, the throne, right? And also to protect, to watch over, that'll be guard, all right? Great. So in chapter 1 we talk about must be, might be, right? Must be, might be, can be. And the story reminds Angelo of Bigfoot. And must be, might be, can be. I don't think it's quite easy to define it as a in grammatical way, ever since it's all about logic, right? The way people judge, the way people think. But sure, we can try to review about those unexplained stories about those monsters, about those mysteries in Bermuda Triangle. For example, for Bermuda Triangle, many ships and many airplanes have disappeared in this area, right? So why did so many ships and airplanes that disappeared in this area? Some people think that underwater volcanoes erupt and release bubbles of gas, which may make the ship sink. But also, some people believe that the aliens just took them away, right? But over the time, we could see in some major events in this area. For example, the USS Cyclops with its crew of 309 people just disappeared in 1918, and also five military airplanes that disappeared in this area in 1945. The end by the end of World War II, and also Marine Sulphur Queen, also another airplane just disappeared in 1958, right? So must be, might be, can be. Must be, might be, can be. So we use must be for a very sure kind of event. We use might be for not so sure. We use can be for something impossible to be true, not true at all. For example, mm, the footprints are big, so they can't be from little children, right? And the monster is sleeping, so it must be tired. And I don't know how much the bracelets cost. I don't know, so it might be expensive. Okay, my time is up for chapter 1, and let's move on to chapter 2.